Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Vase here and today we're going to unbox the Lexar NM620 NVMe SSD. So let's begin the unboxing video. Here is the box of the Lexar NM620 SSD. On the front side you are going to get a picture representation of the actual SSD. So it is an M2 SSD. If you have a motherboard or any external enclosure which supports M2 SSD, then you can hook it up. You can see it says 2280 PCIe Gen 3 X 4 SSD. So by 2280 it means its size. If you have any motherboard which supports 2280 SSD, then you can fit it, or if you have any external enclosure you can get an idea. So I have the 512 GB variant. It comes in, I think so, 256 GB and the 1 TB variant as well. It can go up to 3500 megabytes read speed, and for the write speed it's around 1300 megabits per second for that 512 GB variant. On the side of the box again NM620. Here on the box back side we're going to have some major specifications, like for performance NVMe 1.4 and it is efficient. So here you can see it doesn't going to show you what are the TBW or terabytes written for this particular SSD. However, you can visit Lexar's website. So if you don't know what TBW is, basically terabytes written is the expected life of any SSD. The more TBW you have, the more chances that your SSD is going to perform for a longer time. For the 512 GB variant, it has the 250 terabyte TBW, so it means that you can write 250 terabytes to this SSD, meaning reading, writing, deleting, etc. for its lifespan, and that's how long its warranty is going to remain. Usually its warranty is for 5 years, so if you have a lot of data coming in, out, deletion, then you should consider this factor as well. But for most users it's not going to be a concern. Here on the box you're going to have two seals on the top and one at the bottom. We're just going to cut open the bottom one. And we can easily slide out the SSD. Here we are going to have some documentation as well, which you can read if you want to. And here we have our small little SSD in this case. Here we have it. So as you can see, Lexar NM620 M2280 PCI Gen 3 X 4 SSD. Again the 512 GB variant, and here you're going to have all the SSD chips and the controller as well. So for the size it's pretty small as SSDs are. Again, I'm not going to do a speed test right now because I'm going to use it as an external SSD for my MacBook. So for that I have bought this Orico M2 NVMe SSD enclosure. If you're interested on the speed test, when I hook it up with this enclosure, make sure that you watch the video that is coming here. So anyways guys, this was the unboxing video of the Lexar NVMe SSD. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.